Hey there. Today, let's dive into some powerful tips for dealing with negative thoughts and explore a few mindfulness techniques you can add to your mindfulness kit. First, recognize and acknowledge when negative thoughts pop up. Notice them without judgment. This helps create a mental space between you and those pesky thoughts. Next, challenge these negative thoughts. Ask yourself if they're based on facts or just assumptions. This takes away their power. Reframe your thinking. Instead of saying, I always fail, try, I can learn from my mistakes. Shifting your perspective can do wonders for your mindset. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you're grateful for. This simple act can transform your mindset from negative to positive and limit your exposure to triggers. Identify situations or people that spark negative thoughts and, if possible, reduce your time around them. Now, let's talk about a few mindfulness techniques for your kit. Start with mindful breathing. Take deep, slow breaths to calm your mind. Try a guided breathing exercise to really focus on your breath. Meditation is another great tool. Use a simple meditation script to observe your thoughts without judgment. Remember, thoughts are just passing events, not absolute truths. Lastly, journaling prompts can be super helpful. Reflect on positive experiences or what you've learned from challenges. This reinforces positive thinking and self-awareness. Incorporating these mindfulness practices into your daily life can significantly boost your mental and physical health. So give them a try and watch your mindset transform. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mindfulness.